हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो? तो चलिए स्वागत करते हैं आज की इस वीडियो में बीएससी सेकंड ईयर डीडीयू गोरखपुर यूनिवर्सिटी के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एम्पलीफायर एंड ऑक्सीलेटर से काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो आप लोग पढ़ लेंगे तो आपके कंपटीटिव एग्जाम में यानी एमसीक्यू जो डीडीयू इस बार कराएगा उसमें 100 में 100 ला सकते हैं। दूसरा वीडियो देखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। तो चलिए स्वागत करते हैं अपने क्वेश्चन के साथ और वीडियो को लाइक करते जाइएगा दोस्तों और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलिएगा। क्वेश्चन देखिए, व्हेन नेगेटिव वोल्टेज फीडबैक इज अप्लाइड टू एन एम्पलीफायर इट्स वोल्टेज कैन। ऑप्शन देखिए, इज इंक्रीज, इज रिड्यूस, remains the same, none of the above. Right answer is recued, is reduced. Next, current cannot flow the ground through. Option देखिए, a mechanical ground, an AC ground, a virtual ground, none of the above. Right answer, a virtual ground. Next question, when a differential amplifier is operated, signal ended. Option देखिए, the output is grounded. Next option, one input is grounded and signal is applied to the other. Option C, both input are connected together. Option D, the output is not inverted. Right answer, one input is grounded and signal is applied to the other. Next question, a differential amplifier is a part of an op ampere, has one input and one output, has two outputs. Answer A and B. तो right answer होगा answer A and B. Multivibrator belong to which the following category? Square wave oscillator, sinusoidal oscillator, ramp wave oscillator, triangular wave oscillator. Right answer, square wave oscillator. Next question, which of the following is not an example for non-sinusoidal oscillator? Option, sawtooth generator, blocking oscillator, multi-vibrate or crystal oscillator. Right answer, crystal oscillator. Next question, the sinusoidal oscillator is also called LC oscillator, RC oscillator, crystal oscillator, harmonic oscillator. Right answer, harmonic oscillator. Which of the following oscillator cannot be used in low frequency oscillator? RC oscillator, RC phase shift oscillator, Wien bridge oscillator, Colpitts oscillator. Right answer, Colpitts oscillator. Next question, in a LC oscillator, the frequency of oscillator is L and C, directly proportional to the square both A and B, inversely proportional to square root of. Right answer, inversely proportional to the square of root of. Next question, an important limitation of a crystal oscillator is its high output, less availability of quartz crystal, its high output, its low output. Right answer, its low output. Next question दोस्तों, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप लोगों का है, an oscillator differ from an amplifier because it has more gain required to input signal, required to DC supply, always has the same input. Right answer, required no input signal. Next question, is a fixed frequency oscillator, crystal oscillator, Colpitts oscillator, Hartley oscillator, phase shift oscillator. Right answer, crystal oscillator. Next, Hartley oscillator are commonly used in oscillator application. ऑप्शन देखिए, टीवी रिसीवर, रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी, क्लोज सर्किट, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. राइट आंसर, रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी. एन ऑक्सीलेटर प्रोड्यूस ऑक्सीलेशन, डैम्प्ड, अनडैम्पेड, मॉड्यूलेटेड, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. राइट आंसर, अनडैम्पेड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु हैड इन्वेंटेड हार्टली ऑक्सीलेटर? ऑप्शन ए, रॉल्फ हार्टली, बी, लॉर्ड ड्रॉप, सी, जेम्स, डी, डेनिस रिच्ची. राइट आंसर, रॉल्फ हार्टली. नेक्स्ट है, इन विच प्रिंसिपल ऑक्सीलेटर वर्क ऑन ऑक्सीलेशन, आईपीओ, न्यूटन्स 3 लॉ ऑफ मोशन और आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल. राइट आंसर, ऑक्सीलेशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द फ्रीक्वेंसी of this oscillator is determined by the AZ circuit, tuned circuit, both A and B, or none of the above. Right answer, tuned circuit. What is oscillator? Resistor, device, electronic circuit, voltage, current. So right answer, device, electronic circuit. What does an oscillator converts? DC power into AC power, AC power into DC power, both A and B, none of the above. Right answer, DC power into AC power. Next देखते हैं, which one is the type of oscillator? Hartley oscillator, read only memory, established therma, or all of the above. Right answer, Hartley oscillator. Next, class C amplifier has maximum efficiency of 50%, 100%, 20%, 17%, 70%. Right answer, B, 100%. Next question, class B amplifier has maximum efficiency. Option A, 20.5%, 55.7%, 78.5%, 90%, 98%. Right answer, C, 78.5%. Next question, the coupling method which gives the highest gain of an amplifier is resistance coupling, capacitance coupling, transfer coupling, impedance coupling. The right answer, C, transfer coupling. Next question, from the following which is same as positive feedback? A, degeneration, regeneration, negative feedback, positive feedback. Right, regeneration. Next question, which oscillator has the best frequency stability and accuracy? A. Colpitt's oscillator. B. Hartley oscillator. C. Crystal controlled oscillator. D. Tickly feedback oscillator. Right answer, crystal controlled oscillator. Next question, typical Q for a crystal is 250, 25,000, 25, 2500. Right answer, 25,000. Next question, usually RF feedback oscillator are tuned by varying the L or C, load impedance, supply voltage, bias. Right answer, L or C. Next है, basically a phase shift oscillator consists of a number of LC circuit, RLC circuit, RC circuit, RL circuit. Right answer, RC circuit. Next question है, in a phase shift oscillator the loop gains is 180 degree, 50 degree, 360 degree, 90 degree. Right answer, 60 degree. Next question, the tuned circuit for good stability should have low L, low C, high Q, low R. Right answer, high Q. In a voltage controlled oscillator the varactor needs a forward bias, parallel capacitance more than 5 microfarad, audio signal more than 1000 Hz, reverse DC controller voltage. Right answer, reverse DC control voltage. अब next question, a monostable multiple vibrate can also be used generate. Option A sinusoidal, option B pulse, option C sweep, option D any of the above. Option C right answer sweep होगा. Next question दोस्तों, which circuit is used for converting a sine wave to square wave? Option A an stable multivibrator, A V stable multivibrator, A Smith trigger, D all. Right answer C A Smith trigger. Next question है दोस्तों, most stable oscillator is Hartley oscillator, Windbridge oscillator, crystal controlled oscillator, Colpitt's oscillator. Right answer crystal controlled oscillator. Next question दोस्तों, we can use blocking oscillator as option high impedance switches and frequency divider, low impedance switches, abrupt plus generator non. Right answer high impedance switches and frequency divider. Next question है दोस्तों, in the low frequency range which component of RC coupled amplifier is mainly responsible for the fall of gain? Option A grid leak resistance, option B stray shunt capacitance, option C coupling capacitor, option D transistor. Right answer coupling capacitor. Next question है दोस्तों, which components is responsible for harmonic distortion of the signal in a RC coupled amplifier? Option A biasing resistor, coupling capacitor, C power supply, D transistor. Right answer transistor. In a case of a good amplifier, next question है, in a case of a good amplifier the input impedance with respect of resistance should be option A low, option B capacitive, option C high, option D inductive. तो राइट आंसर आपका होगा हाई. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच कॉपलिंग मेथड विल गिव हाईएस्ट गेन इन केस ऑफ एम्पलीफायर? ऑप्शन ए impedance coupling, option B capacitance coupling, option C transformer coupling, option D resistance coupling. राइट आंसर ट्रांसफॉर्मर कॉपलिंग. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जाते हैं दोस्तों. In case of audio amplifier, which distortion is least objectionable? In option intermolution distortion, harmonic distortion, frequency distortion, phase distortion. Right answer phase distortion. Next question है, an amplifier is a high frequency region behave like a high pass filter, B band pass filter, C low pass filter, D any of the above. Right answer low pass filter. Question है, for highest gain which amplifier will be preferred? Option A cascade amplifier, option B cascade amplifier, option C depends on the circuit, option D Darlington's pair. Right answer cascade amplifier. Next question, how a push pull amplifier balance out? Option A even harmonic, option B odd harmonic, option C neither odd nor even harmonic, option D both even and odd harmonic. Right answer odd harmonic. Next question, class B amplifier will have less efficiency as compared to class C, class A, AB and C, class AB. Right answer class A. Which amplifier with a variable capacitor for tuning? Option A AF, option B RF, option C IF, option D both A and B. Right answer RF. Next question, an audio amplifier has the band wide extends from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, 2000 Hz, 200 Hz, 1000 Hz. Right answer 20,000 to 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. राइट आंसर होगा ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन चलते हैं दोस्तों. व्हेन वी यूज क्लास ए एम्पलीफायर? ऑप्शन ए हाईली वोल्टेज गेन इज रिक्वायर्ड, ऑप्शन बी डीसी वोल्टेज इज टू बी एम्पलीफायर, ऑप्शन सी मिनिमम डिस्टॉर्शन इज डिजायर्ड. ऑप्शन डी नो फेज इन्वर्सन इज रिक्वायर्ड, राइट आंसर मिनिमम डिस्टॉर्शन इज डिजायर्ड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है दोस्तों, विच एम्पलीफायर हैज लीस्ट डिस्टॉर्शन, ऑप्शन ए सी, ऑप्शन बी ए, ऑप्शन सी ए बी, ऑप्शन डी बी, राइट आंसर ए। द आउटपुट इम्पीडेंस इन ए आइडियल OP amperes is 0, infinite, 50 ohm, 80 ohm, right answer 0. Next question, a transistor amplifier which has 85% efficiency likely to be class C, class A, class AB, class B, right answer class C. Next question है, basically emitter bias depends on gain, IE, CC, signal input, right answer IE. Next है, in enchantment mode which transistor can be used, option A JFET, MOSFET, NPN transistor, UJT, right answer MOSFET. Next है, the gain of amplifier is generally imaginary, complex और real और non, तो right answer हो जाएगा दोस्तों complex. नेक्स्ट और लास्ट क्वेश्चन है दोस्तों, a good amplifier should have stable operation और high fidelity, low noise, all, right answer all हो जाएगा stable operation, high fidelity और low noise। तो थैंक यू दोस्तों वाचिंग माई वीडियो, और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, अपने दोस्तों के पास भी शेयर करें ऐसी वीडियो पाने के लिए दोस्तों। थैंक यू सो मच।